How to make reels on Instagram. So if you want to make reels on Instagram, and then here's the guide. First, you need to launch your Instagram application. Make sure that you have an internet connection. Now, make sure that you've logged into your account. After that, you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus option. And from here, you need to go with the reel section. Once you tap on the reel, you need to go with the camera option, which is on the upper left, and it will take you to the camera section. Now you can simply go and create a reel. So I'll just simply go and create a reel of a few seconds. After that, now here on the left side, you will have the audio option. You can go and add the audio or music to it. And you will have effects. You can go and add the effects. And you will also have the video layout and the green screen option. You'll also have the gesture control, the align, close, and everything. You can just add any option that you're comfortable with. So if you want to add audio, then you just need simply go with the audio section and select any audio that you are comfortable with. I'll simply select the first one. Go with the arrow, which is on the bottom right, and choose the part you want for your reel, and then go with done, which is on the top right. Now you can go with the upper side and you can make the video 2x or 3x or any speed that you are comfortable with. And you need to go with flash if you want to add a flash, or the timer, and you can again record it. After that, you can go with next, and it will take it to this kind of interface. Now from here also, you'll be able to add the music if you want to, and then go with text if you want to add some text, some stickers, some filters. You can also add your own voice or audio to it, and you can also add some captions. You can adjust it, or you can download that reel. Now if you go and edit, if you want to go and edit your video, you can go with edit video, which on the bottom left, and from here you'll be able to edit your video. Go with the upper right arrow. And once you've edited, once you finish editing, you can add some captions to it and go with share, and that's it. That's how you can make reels on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.